Here's the claw, or at least that's what I like to call it. It's actually a power pole shallow water anchor. It basically is an anchor that will spike into the bottom and hold the boat steady for casting. In fact, power pole actually makes a paddle that fits right on this arm to basically slow the boat down for trolling and for drifting. And it's a wonderful item. We use it a lot. For the forward-facing guys, though, they still have an issue, especially in the Great Lakes or some of these big bodies of water up here, with boat rocking. And you know, you can't keep your transducer locked on the bottom. It's harder to see the fish when the boat's flying all over the place. And that's forward, backward rocking, and also side to side. There's a company called Gear that has just come out with an unbelievable item for this, and it's called a Surge Purge. It's a horizontal plate that comes off the arm, and it basically displaces the water so the boat can't rock. It can't really go back and forth or forward and back very easily. So that has really starting to take on, you know, people are starting to really use these things up here. And normally what we see in the show, you'll see in a couple years, it'll be kind of a mainstream item. So it's called the Surge Purge, and it's a wonderful new addition for the power pole.